The issue that I'm hearing now, the one of Okachukwu DIBIA, who has been the only man moving from one place, one media house to the other, parading himself and calling himself IPO. This same man he has been the only one that Ikwere is not part of Ohaneze. I realized that anytime one Ikwere man comes out to deny that he's not an Igbo man, I noticed that the entire tribes in Nigeria become so happy. They become so happy everywhere. You will see them reposting it, they will spread it, it becomes a major information. Radio stations will carry it, FMs and TV stations will begin to carry it as though it is one very important thing. They want to spread it. But when you hear majority of Ikwere people comes out to say we are Igbo, you will not see those people carry it. You will not see them spread the news. You will never see those news in all the mainstream medias and all that. Some mainstream medias were not even paid to carry the news. The issue that I'm hearing now, the one of Okachukwu DIBIA, who has been the only man moving from one place, one media house to the other, parading himself and calling himself IPO. This same man he has been the only one that Ikwere is not part of Ohaneze. Meanwhile, the former Secretary General, the former Ohaneze, those who formed Ohaneze Ndibo, beginning from Aguma, even the man he's referring to in his news press conference is Uche Okoko, an Ikwere man. Aguma and Ikwere man, these have been Ohaneze Ndibo escorts. They have participated in Ohaneze Ndibo, and nobody came to object it. Those who formed Ohaneze Ndibo is parading himself to be the mouthpiece of the entire Ikwere people. How can one man come out and be speaking on behalf of the entire Ikwere people? When you watch his press conference, you will notice that it is only him. In all the press conference he has ever held, it has always been only him. The last time he held a press conference, it was him and one other man that was sleeping. The man was even sleeping. The man was not even ready to listen to what they are saying. So you can see that he's trying to fight in all means to tell the world that we are not Igbo. I don't know who is paying him. I don't know who is sponsoring all this. Truth be told, there is something behind it, because one man cannot carry his money to Arise TV and everywhere and be paying media houses in order just because he wants to tell the world that we are not Igbo. Something he cannot change. Media is a very powerful tool. We know media is powerful tools. That's why he goes to the media. And of course, the Yoruba media helped him and boosted it to let everybody know that we are not Igbo. And who told you we are not Igbo? Ikwere people. Who told you Ikwere is not Igbo? Okay, anybody that is deceiving you that Ikwere is not Igbo, that person just they deceive you here and there. Typical Igbo, ancient Igbo, that is who we are, Ikwere. If Okachukwu DIBIA and his cohort and the rest of them can come out boldly and say that they are from Benin, then we also have the right to say that we are from Igbo. That we are Igbo. We have the right to say we are Igbo. Of course, in his affirmations, you saw it now, that he has always said that we have several, Ikwere is made up of several, came out from several roots, several Igbo roots. Of course, he mentioned the arrow. We have the arrow. In fact, greater percent of Ikwere population, they are all arrow. We are all from arrow descendants. No doubt, we are all from arrow descendants. Some are also from the Ngwa area and all that. The Obios and the rest of them, we know what is Obio. Obio is Obia. It was later, reformed and all that to Obio. So leave all these talks. Ikwere is not Igbo. Ikwere is not Igbo. You see everywhere Ikwere is. And when he says this kind of thing, the entire media, everybody is happy. The Yoruba man is happy. They're very good. The Hausa man is very happy. Everybody is happy. But do not forget, you'll be happy, or they will still address you as an Igbo man. No matter how happy these people are that you are denying your Igbo, they will still address you as an Igbo man. If today anything is happening, you mention your name, Okachukwu DIBIA, you are an Igbo man, okay? You are an Igbo man. That name is not given to an ordinary Igbo man. The name Okachukwu DIBIA is not an ordinary name that everybody answers in Igbo land. It's a special ancient name, a name that is deeply rooted in the custom, traditions of Igbo land. That is the name he's bearing. The name Dibia signifies a medicine man, a healer in Igbo land. That is what it means in Ikwere land, and that is what it means in Igbo, in Central Igbo language. The name Okachukwu simply means hand of God, hand of God. That is what we call it, Akachineke, Okachukwu. That is what Central Igbo, that is what is called in Central Igbo, Okachukwu, hand of God. The meanings are the same meanings everywhere in all the Igbo extractions. So how come he's boldly using the same name, wearing that kind of magnificent Igbo name, ancient Igbo name, and coming out to proclaim that he's not an Igbo man? No, be juju be that. Is that not something that we all should be worried? That, this kind of man coming out, something is deeply wrong somewhere. I have always said it. Something is wrong. Hey, how we got to our fathers married Igbo women. What kind of mockery is that? You are mocking us. The likes of Okachukwu DIBIA, I am telling you, you are mocking Ikwere people. Keep on mocking your house, not Ikwere people. You are mocking yourself. You are making jest of yourself in the public. Okachukwu, and you have refused to change that name. Change the name now. You know what change? You see the user, they embrace them, carry on the disgrace Ikwere people. Coming out on public or radio, television, and they will announce it Okachukwu DIBIA. And yet, you come out to deny Igbo. Ikwere is a name, just like we have the Ohafias, the Okachukwu, the Nsukas, the Ika people, the Anyoma, the Anyocha, as Imbanke. And so Ikwere is also a major clan, a sub-Igbo group that will never be taken away from us from tomorrow, if you like. It will not be taken away from us. We remain Igbo. And I am proud. Or people, we are proud of identifying with our Igbo-ness. We are Igbo people, we are Igbo. Mr. Okachukwu, you go cry, tire. We be Igbo. We are Igbos, for God's sake. No matter how you go about with all this media parade and all that, you cannot change the fact that we are Igbo people. We are Igbo. Ikwere is Igbo. I repeat, we are Igbo. He said, Ikwere, whatever. Have you ever heard that kind of name in River State? Yeah? Have you heard of anything like IPO, except the Yoruba media that is carrying it? Have you heard anything of such kind of organization in River State? Yeah? Within River State. Oh. Have you heard of IPO before? IPO. They say he said IPO. Only one man organization. And you see only him on camera come out and be reading nonsense. Mocking himself. I said, you're denying your Igbo. I said, keep on, that is your business. If you bring 20 people at your back, whenever you're holding your press conference, I will bring 20 persons. I may not have the money to hold press conference here and there, but if you bring 20 persons, me too, on my own small phone, I will bring 20 Ikwere people who will stand at my back. If you bring all Ikwere clans to hold your press conference, I will bring all Ikwere clans to hold my press conference, indicating that we are Igbo people.